In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through each tap together so your chat looks exactly the way you want by the end. First, open Messenger. Look for the familiar blue speech bubble icon on your phone and tap it once. When the app opens, you should see your recent conversations list, with profile pictures on the left and the most recent messages on the right. If Messenger asks for any quick prompts like updates or tips, just wait a moment until your chat list is fully visible before moving on. Now, open the chat you want to customize. Tap on that conversation from the list, and it will slide open to show your messages. You should see your past messages on the screen, along with the text box at the bottom for typing. If you picked the wrong conversation by mistake, just go back and choose the correct one, because each chat has its own separate color and theme settings. Next up, tap the person's name at the top. This is at the very top center of the screen, where you see their name or the group chat title. When you tap it, a new screen or panel opens, showing settings for that conversation. Here you will usually see options like viewing the profile, searching in the conversation, and other chat-specific controls, all grouped in one place so you know you are editing only this chat. From there, tap Themes. You will find themes near the top of the chat settings list, usually with a colored icon beside it. Once you tap Themes, a separate screen appears that shows different visual options for the conversation. This Themes area is where Messenger controls the look of the chat bubbles and background for that one conversation, not for the whole app. With that ready, select a theme, color, or gradient. On this screen, you will see several featured themes first, often with artwork or special designs tied to events or moods. Below those, there are simple color choices and softer gradients that blend two colors together. As you tap on each option, Messenger usually shows a small preview, so you can get a sense of how the chat bubbles and background will look. A helpful tip here, solid colors make text easier to read, while gradients add more personality but can look busier in long conversations. After that, tap Apply. This button appears once you have chosen a theme or color, usually near the bottom of the screen. When you tap Apply, you are taken back into the conversation, and the chat instantly updates with your new look. Your message bubbles, background, and sometimes emoji accents now match the theme you picked, and in many cases the other person in the chat will also see the new style right away. You have just customized the color theme for a single Facebook Messenger chat, giving it its own look and feel, so if this helped you refresh your conversations, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Messenger tips.